Lolo, Agnes, there were. Condolence to you, my sister, my mother. I know it's not easy to lose a soul in Biafra land. Yes, condolence to you. Biafrans, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending your location. Here I'm better today. We'll just brief. When emergency, most of you can see the flyer. And with emergency broadcast from Mazichina Sangolo on Saturday, yes, with Mazi Kem Patrick, or emergency broadcast, please you try to listen. Some of the things now are gonna have emergency, you know. I hope I'm coming out clear. I don't know. So I got try. I got get that broadcast very, very important. Why MG Webia this afternoon is to just a brief to ask a question. If here in Acho, my Acho this Biafra, Kaya just individual, Kawaya I actually with sentiment. I don't know how to put it correct words to use in this particular things I name. Because when the things name now we need to look into, and all our people now suffer. But before I go on, anybody who is not supporting for Nnamdi Kanu release, I don't know, maybe it will be only Fulani. No matter what he did or what you think he's doing, we want his release. Everybody. Everybody. But not the release of Nnamdi Kanu is the problem. The problem is if the house is divided or the house is being attacked, how can Nnamdi Kanu be freed? How can he be released? Nigeria government are very happy for what is going on. Nigeria government is exactly what they need that is happening today. Exactly what Nigeria government planned is what is going on today. I want to play something to you all to tell you the mindset of the family of Nnamdi Kanu. We are not telling them to gather people. We are not telling them to say how many people need the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Everybody, even some of the Yorubas, even non-Nigerians, everybody needs the release of Nnamdi Kanu. But gathering old men who cannot even access phone, who cannot even understand what is going on, gather them to be asking them questions which they don't even understand. I know that every individual who has or who hear or who even eventually hear that name, Nnamdi Kanu, will say, please release him. Yes, that is exactly what we want. But this video I'm going to show you here is to tell you the mindset of what we are saying and what we are doing. This is a video, let me play, and I want you to watch carefully of people who is in that video. Watch the audience. Watch them closely, and I will come back to it.
Confirm. So I know today. I don't know before. I should always joke. Maka here I na social media. Ekwensu jo for the na kwaronkworo. We na bam na abogide mas Nnamdi. Can I get kwako di ya me? I get kwako di ya me. Okwa Nnamdi Kanu ma ejiputa njema. I ga happy akono na mkporo ta hu. I ga happy akono na mkporo nwo. Okwa maka ya ga ejiputa njema. Okwa ya wa sacrifice ye ni no nwe fu na Biafra ga abia. All right, I'm at the one to our unborn generation. And when they went to as I'm talking to you now, ha wee na-agba mgbe ha gbago mgba ba Nnamdi Kanu ime ka ha marụ ma a ga-akwatu ya ọsị mba wasị ka eziokwu o wee kwudosie ike ha wee chọzie ka ha jiri ụfọdụ ngwa ha pụrụ asụ ọchọ wee werekwara ngwa ọrụ so achọọ m ịmarụ na ekwu Nnamdi Kanu wee onye ndu gị ya ndị ọ maka Nnamdi Kanu ka anyị ji pụta onye aka gị elu ka m pụwa
This is exactly where I want all of you to listen. You can see that young man ideology. He will still show his face. It started from Anabama Nnamdi Kanu. Onwere closer. Onwere onye n'ọchịchị na-agba ya mgba. I don't understand. At the end, ya bịa land ya say, ịchọ ka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu pụta weli aka gị elu. Onwere onye na-achọghị ka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu pụta biko. This is the mindset a na-eji na-confuse ndị be anyị. This is the mindset ha kwucha ihe a ha na-ekwu dị ya now. Ha agwa gị na ọ DOS wụ ihe mere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọpụta. Na ọwụ ndị onye n'ọchịchị mere o ji ọpụta. This is what they are propagating now in Biafra land. Gathering Okada people, gathering old men who does not understand what is going on to give them lies. That some people don't want Maazị Nnamdi Kanu out. But that is not the bone of contention. That is not what we are talking about. What we are talking about is what is going on that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu need to put in place, need to systemize, need to remove the family out of the way of this struggle. That is the bone of contention, not bringing Maazị Nnamdi Kanu out, not anybody sitting not to allow Maazị Nnamdi Kanu out. No. The DOS are not Nigeria government. The DOS are not British government. They are human beings like other persons. But coming to gather people to propagate this kind of lies against the structure of the Biafra IPOB family is unacceptable. And onye ndu is seeing all these things, is keeping quiet. If the DOS want to remove the power from Maazị Nnamdi Kanu or want to do anything, Maazị aga na-eme ụmụ Chineke aga na-eme onye ọbụla na-ahụ ya n'anya. Aga na-eme onye ọbụla na-ahụ ya. It's not something of lying or something of saying it will not work or I'll not go agree. No. It's not that. But these people today are still giving Maazị Nnamdi Kanu money. They still giving money every month. Regardless of even some of the IPOB members are kicking against it because of the attitude of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. But this leadership, DOS, refuse and continue giving that money. Everybody is talking Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, Maazị Nnamdi. How many of you are talking about the wife, the child? How many of you are talking about our people that is in prison today? How many of all these lawyers have traveled to go and just console them, make a solidarity visit to all our people that is all over Nigeria prison? Just a visit. We are not talking about their release. Just a visit of consolement. Just to console them. How many of these lawyers have done that? They have rapidly, forcefully pushed away Ifeanyi Ejiofor, who have been doing that for years now. And somebody will come to tell me that I can't want Honofe. What these DOS members are enduring today, most of you can never endure it. If you hear story, you will say, in fact, Moko even suspend Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Most of you have been saying it self now. We are laughing. Suspend him, remove him, let us focus. But I keep on saying it, that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is the head of this struggle. He knows the in and out of the struggle. He knows how to put sand and gari in the struggle. You know how to make it move forward smoothly for us. You know how to delay it for the thing not to move forward. If not the help and the smartness of this leadership called DOS. But when some of us come to explain all these things, some of Efulefu will tell you that we are attacking Nnamdi Kanu. My brothers, we are not attacking Nnamdi Kanu. Me, I am not going to attack Nnamdi Kanu, but I am going to say the truth the way it is. Not attacking. Attack is when you come here to abuse him, say he's a stupid man, or thunder fire him. No. We will not use that word. I can never, myself, I will not. I will not. Because tomorrow might be next. No matter what he do to me, I will come and keep on telling him the truth. Without abuse. What we are suffering today, what the delay all of you are seeing in this struggle today, is the help of Kalonta, Fine Boy, Nnenya, and all the rest. Even Benjamin in Madubugo. That is today, his problem has become Mazichina Sanwo-Olu. But when Mazichina Sanwo-Olu was giving him money every month, or settling him, giving him money for his family, for his welfare, he's not a bad man. Today, they are gathering people in Biafra land, Ndo Okada, old men, to wash away their brain as they have been washing away our brain for more than 10 years now. Because this is a full country. So if another one go, another set agasakwishino. Who are dying? Who is dying on this Biafra restoration? Biafrans, I want to see on comment section. I want you to say it sincerely. Since this struggle started, who and who is dying, is paying their sacrifice in this struggle? I want all of you to answer that. Is he Nnamdi Kanu? Is he other families? Is it the family of Nnamdi Kanu? Or is it other members of IPOB members? Who are the ones being burned their house, being in prison, no visit, no food, no lawyer? God knows when they are going to come out. I leave those questions to most of you here. Like I can see Mazikem Patrick and others, I think Chukudubem and others, to answer that question. What we are saying today is Ozemena, but Ozan continue happening. Because of the person involved, or because of the person the face is in front, men are taking Arirana Wagi here, trying to see if they will let go. Most of us today came to disturb for over 2 years now. Even on Radio Biafra, they will call. Send them on Nnamdi Kanu to Sokoto now. Oh, yeah, the only person who got here, dear. Send her there. What is he doing? He can't come out even to talk. He can't come out to condemn. Now, Ogala Sekotaho, he didn't go alone. She did not go alone. She went with the son. Go from UK to that place. She came back. She have done at least 2 brokers now. The one with the Lolo Chimezie and this one now. She did Saturday. But most of you will not pick points of that woman. Ihini local. Uno age pick those points. Uno age pick all those points that woman uneku. You know. So what I'm saying today is the wife of Nnamdi Kanu went to Sokoto to debate and discuss and explain everything that is going on with the with IPOB family, every damn thing. But the question wụ onye a na-agwa ọ chọkwara ịnụ ka o nwere another agenda. Ima sometimes when be maybe one of your best car or best land. You sell that land because of a very big problem in the family. But after 1 month, when you recover yourself to get that money back, you will be targeting to go and take that money back, that car back or that land back from the buyer. The thing cannot be possible, but you will be trying your possible best to see if you can retrieve that land back because on here love. Nnamdi Kanu was not the first that started Biafra restoration. But Nnamdi Kanu was outside Nigeria, globally broadcasting, and we came to support him as brothers, as Biafrans.